He's like, what's going on out there?
He's always pretty active when I get adjusted.
Almost 38.
38 weeks. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So we're gonna run through all that stuff. I guess I'm always weird when I talk in front of a camera, but I'm just gonna run through it. So let's go ahead, and if you could stand up, I'm gonna get it set up so that belly will be comfortable. Here. Awesome. And then if you want to go ahead and go face down. Perfect. If you're new to the channel, I'm Dr. Dorsa. Always new, awesome content coming at you weekly. If you like the content and you want to see more like it, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so that you don't miss out. And are you comfortable right here?
Yes.
Okay, I can drop this down. Is that better?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Cool, so I'm going to check with a quad tension test first. So just bringing the legs up like this. And that kind of gives me the torsion of the hips. So on our left side, we're a little bit out. So that's where we're going to start by doing our drop table. And could I actually have you scoot down about 2 inches this way? Perfect. Cool. And no tenderness or anything throughout here?
Yeah, it's always kind of a little tender.
Okay. So the table's going to pop up and make this really loud sound. And it's going to drop down like that. I'm going to start pretty gentle. A little push right here. Feeling okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Recheck. So that already evened out quite a bit. I'm going to do a few more drops. Great. Do you feel the difference there?
Yeah.
And you might not. It's kind of just something I'm looking
Just
at.
when you push on my heels, I guess I can feel less tension.
Okay, gotcha. All right, and then I'm gonna have you come back onto your knees. I'm gonna take this guy out. Great. And then I'm gonna have you come onto your side, facing me over here. So with this technique, everything's done with just one side, with the goal to basically have the uterus sit into a better position so that baby has more space. Good. And are you comfortable in this position here?
Yeah.
Okay. And you've had these adjustments in the past?
Yeah.
So I'm going to do a little push right there. Good. And then let's go ahead and go onto your back. Nothing too crazy with that?
Nope.
Okay. And then we're going to look at round ligament. So I'm going to just check some tension through here. And we have, on this side, you feel a little bit more of that tension.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to hang out here for about 30 seconds. I'm feeling moving around a little bit in there.
Yeah.
He's like, what's going on out there?
He's always pretty active when I get adjusted.
Oh man, he's pushing back. I can already start to feel that release a little bit. And do you do any of these releases on your own at home?
Sometimes if it's like really bothering me, but
So I'm gonna have you take your arms like that. And with the rest of this, it's just kind of to get that extra tension out. So I'm gonna have you bring your chin down to your chest. Big breath in and let that all the way out. One more. That's felt okay?
yeah.
And neck's been feeling okay?
No.
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 Tell me a little bit about the neck.
It's just always pretty, like I hold a lot of tension
Okay.
in my neck. So I don't know if that is the root of my problems, but kind of have like pain up through my jaw, and it causes a lot of like those Ramshorn headaches and
Okay.
yeah.
So you're
my
pretty
neck
familiar to
is-
headaches and
Yeah.
a lot of tension over there. And had you had chiropractic care prior to the pregnancy?
Yes.
Okay. And were you working on some of the issues with the neck?
Yeah.
Okay. Any pain or pinching with rotation or looking left and right?
No pain, maybe a little reduced range of motion.
Okay. I just feel kind of some tension up through here. Is that pretty tender?
Yeah, that like
pressing?
whole suboccipital area is usually pretty tight.
Okay, so I'm gonna hang out there for a little bit before we get into the adjustment. Are you doing okay with that pressure? Cool. And then Tyler, if you want to kind of come this way a little bit, just so we get all this pops. I like how high the chair is.
Told you there's some advantage of
It's like a throne. That's awesome. Still doing okay on the pressure there.
You want you in it and her at the same time?
Whatever.
Okay.
Whatever's fine.
There you go.
As I'm kind of hanging out there, does that feel like it releases at all, or does it just feel like that constant?
Feels pretty constant.
Okay.
My neck's in pretty rough shape.
And with the adjustments and everything, that usually clears that out quite a bit.
It definitely helps, yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna drop this down a little bit. Oh, so we're gonna do a little push right here. Same thing there. Great. And while you're in here, we'll run through extremities. But hips and everything, you responded really, really well.
Yeah.
Kind of came back very easily. I didn't have to put much into it.
Yeah, everything's pretty loose.
Got that relaxing going.
Yeah.
Awesome. And if I bring up the hip to here, anything bothered with that?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little push right here. All those feel pretty good.
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. Well, is there anything else that you wanted me to look at while you're in here? They're pretty easy. Everything, I mean, it was just a little bit off, but everything went right back with even just those few drops that we did in the beginning. So
Yeah.
awesome.
That's pretty good.
Cool. We'll leave it with that.
All
Did I
right.
help you out?
I think I can.
You got your technique?
Yeah.
Mm.
Roly-poly my way off the table.
What do you think about Dr. Dorsa?
It's pretty great.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do me a huge favor and smash that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like that, go ahead and subscribe. My face button right there if you don't want to miss out.